Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Corners are traded in for curves. The GLC has emerged with a C-Class inspired cabin and sophistication and a taste for the wild. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and memory exterior door mirror settings. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,